In the heart of the urban jungle, where chaos and rush dominate, there exists a moment of serenity, a moment when the rain washes away the dust, unveiling the city's hidden beauty. As raindrops dance on the city's canvas, the ordinary transforms into something extraordinary. Every droplet tells a story, reflecting the city's soul. Puddles become mirrors, reflecting the city's essence. Neon lights and vibrant signs paint an abstract masterpiece on the wet streets, creating a mesmerizing kaleidoscope of colors. Rain-kissed cityscape transforms from the serene blue hour to a vibrant, reflective night, capturing urban life's dynamic nocturnal allure. In the aftermath of the rain, the city breathes. It's a cinematic symphony, a visual poem that reminds us to appreciate the beauty that emerges when the storm passes.